more than 20 years, we have been developing products to protect the gutters. We continue to improve the screening system, which is the go-to product around Australia. And we do know that the screening system is quite a difficult product to install. It has a lot of components, and it is really it needs someone with trade experience to be able to install it. So we created a company called ScreenTech, which we wanted to supply directly to the trades and help the trade to be able to install the same way that we've installed for more than 20 years, and take out the concerns and for someone that does want to install it, so that they know that they've got a proven product, and those proven products can be installed knowing that they're going to provide the right solution for protecting the gutters. The one main reason we created ScreenTech was because even in the installation industry, where people were still putting in products that were the do-it-yourself type products, we just wanted to make sure that the screening system continued to be a go-to product, and even the screening system for a long period of time. Well, not a long period of time, but in recent years was seen to be not working as well, and a lot of that was due to inferior products. It's very easy to make a copy product, but if if you've been in the game for 20 years, you start to understand what works and what doesn't work. So ScreenTech was created so that we could supply, support, and service the trade industry.